안녕하세요. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about the pronunciation of final consonant, batchim, 니은, and 리을. In our previous videos, we have learned about the final consonants. These final consonants are being grouped respectively and are pronounced by its representative sounds. To begin, let us learn the final consonant, 니은. The pronunciation of consonant is different when it is an initial consonant as n and when it is a final consonant as n. Hold your breath when you pronounce it. Say n. Look at this syllable. It has the final consonant 니은. Therefore, it is pronounced as n. 그, 아, 은. Together, 간. Next, let us learn the final consonant, 리을. The pronunciation of consonant is different when it is an initial consonant as l and when it is a final consonant as 을. Hold your breath when you pronounce it. Say 을. Look at this syllable. It has the final consonant 리을. Therefore, it is pronounced as 을. 그, 아, 을. Together, 갈. Let's combine initial consonant 기역, vowels 아, 어, 오, 우, and the final consonant 니은. 그, 아, 은. 그안, 간. 그, 어, 은. 그언, 건. 그, 오, 은. 곤, 그, 우, 은. 군. Let's combine initial consonant 기역, vowels 아, 어, 오, 우, and the final consonant 리을. 그, 아, 을. 갈. 그, 어, 을. 걸. 그, 오, 을. 골. 그, 우, 을. 굴. Let's take a look at words with 니은 final consonant. 우산. 반찬. 당근. Let's take a look at words with 리을 final consonant. 마늘. 딸기. 얼굴. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. And please do like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video. 감사합니다.